Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video to show the first woodworking project that I made a few years ago. It is pretty simple, or actually first couple of projects. Both of them very simple, but I thought it'd be worth sharing what I built. So this one is a stand for this monitor. I had it on a pile of books before, and I wanted something that looked nicer and also was easier to move around and also leave a little bit of a space before. So you can see this is just built with the screws, no joinery. And underneath it has a piece for additional support, like a beam, wooden beam kind of, going along to make sure that it can support the monitor or any other way. So yeah, pretty simple. Then on my other desk, my sitting desk, that was the standing desk, I have the second project. This one is a little bit better because it's actually joinery. You can see it right there. And I did it with my table saw, which I will show in another video. And yeah, not support piece because it's joinery. Supposedly they should be able to support more weight. So there wasn't a need for that, and yeah, seems to be working pretty well. I had them like this for a few years. And then down here I just have the wood that I use for this. Nothing special. I bought this, it was a much larger piece, maybe double the length of this. I bought it at Home Depot for maybe $20, something like that. Home Depot Lowe's, something like that. And yeah, I mean, it is kind of, for this type of projects, it's not really a single solid piece. You can see that is multiple pieces that were glued together and sanded and so like this, but it does the job. It's not super heavy, but it's pretty resistant. I also built a wood box all with joinery as well a few years ago, and after you stain it and give it whatever coat to protect it, it actually looks pretty nice, I think. Okay, so that's it. These are the first woodworking project that I made. I did a number of other jobs which I hope to cover in other videos.